Hello. Um, just wanted to do an unpackaging of these new disc brakes that I got. They are Juin GT or Juin, not sure how you pronounce it. It's a 4 pistons disc brake, but the cool part is that are hybrid hydraulic disc brakes. So basically, you still have a wiring brake from the brake to the brake system, but the brake itself inside is hydraulic. So let me unpack it, do the unpackaging. These are instructions how you mount it. Hopefully there is English too. There should be. Oh, okay, so there is English and Chinese, of course. Yep, so, okay. And then inside the package, of course, the adapters, some screws and stuff, and this the caliper. The manufacturer seems really good. Okay, some adjustment here. So basically the wire goes in here, but the brake itself has is hydraulic. It has oil inside. Here is the other side. It doesn't say the weight, but this probably the couple is maybe 100 grams, something like that. They're not very heavy. These are the disc brake pads. There's a spring here, of course. Don't want to lose pieces, but so this is the caliper. It's pretty good. It looks pretty good. So basically, you attach it. The wire goes in here, and here there is the attachment to tight the wire. There's an adjustment here to do calibration, and there are already pads in the brake, so there is two spare ones. It's pretty good. Packaging is nice. This is the other one. Just wanted to show all sides. Some side here. Looks really good. So again, 4 pistons, hybrid hydraulic disc brakes. They're made in Taiwan. So I have to just test it now. This is going to be interesting because hybrid it removes a lot of the maintenance that you have to do with the hydraulic disc brakes, and you know, it's kind of messy sometimes and expensive too. So I will let you know when I'll mount this when my hacky bike project is done, and I will test them, and we'll see how they get. I'll leave a link in the description where I got them. The price I paid, it was $210, something like that. So maybe it's there is still that kind of deal, but I saw there is the price is around $240 right now. So okay, I'll take care, and I'll see you next video. Bye.